measured elastic and fold it in half. Mark the half with a pin and then place that piece in the center of your smock sewing, following the overlocked edge. Pin it to your piece. The piece that is smocked is needed to be straight and flat. Do not pull in the smock. At each arm side, measure 1.5 centimeter down and then place the end of the elastic and pin it to. Now it's time to pull in the elastic to straighten out the fabric. I do it like this. I pull, I hold, and then I place my index finger at the next place where I'm going to add a pin. And I just continue doing this until I am at the arm side. And I of course do it in both left and right side. Now it is time to sew the elastic band to the work. And at the beginning it's a bit tricky because you need to pull the fabric both front and back, otherwise the fabric will get stuck in your sewing machine. And then you just sew the elastic band to your work. And remember that the edge of the elastic band needs to be at the edge of the work. Again, at the smock piece, do not pull in the elastic.